Sam Taggart here off the stage at Win the Storm 2020. What's been the experience like?
It's been awesome. I mean, this is my third year coming. I didn't know a thing about roofs 3 years ago. I feel like the crowd has been really fine-tuned, ready to learn, excited to be here.
So you were just talking about you guys growing here with the people at Win the Storm. So tell us about that. Like, how important is it to come here to network, to build?
Yeah, I mean, this is my first kind of door open in the roofing industry, and I've built these relationships that have turned into business transactions, partnerships, clients, even just friendships.
So tell people at home what they're missing by not coming to Win the Storm.
They can learn the systems to scale so that if they were to be removed from the business, if they were to be in a different spot, then they could leave to Mexico for a week and not trip out.
Thank you so much.
Hey, no, thanks for having me. A pleasure being here. It's fun.